Hello, thanks for exploring FLEXspace, the Flexible Learning Environments Exchange. This brief video will explore the Toolkit section of the portal as well as explore institution pages. Just visit FLEXspace.org and request an account today from your laptop or mobile device. So in addition to spaces, we have Toolkit resources which are planning guides, research, white papers, assessment tools, and so forth. So just like with spaces, you can search, you can browse, you can filter, but we've also created curated collections or galleries. So for instance, planning for social distancing, remote and high flex teaching. We've already curated this for you. So anything that we see that is uploaded by the community and has to do with this topic, we create a gallery and then you can go through there and see all of the different related resources. So that's what galleries are really useful as an organizing tool that we, like I said, curate for you. And you can always go back to all tools and search, browse, filter, and so forth. Let's go to the institutions page. If I go here, I can see all of the institutions and I can search, which I will do on San Diego State. Then I can click on that. And this is a great feature because I can see everybody at San Diego State who has an account in FLEXspace. And I can see all of the spaces that they have uploaded from that campus, as well as any toolkit resources that they have uploaded. So this is a great way to see what's going on at a peer institution, or if I know somebody's a thought leader in spaces, I want to see everything that they're uploading. And even on my own campus, you could use this as a sort of classroom directory if you wanted to, where you could have faculty get a FLEXspace account, you could have tech support folks, people from your learning spaces team, AV integrators, learning space planners, and so forth from facilities. They could all get FLEXspace accounts and they could look at this institution page as sort of a classroom directory, see what's in the space, and so forth. We'd like to thank our industry partners, educational institutions, and affiliate organizations for their generous support and collaboration, which helps make FLEXspace such a valuable community resource. We thank you for your time and we encourage you to join FLEXspace today.